Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how you can allow everyone to message you on Roblox. Whether you're looking to connect with friends or meet new players, opening up your messaging options is super easy. Let's get started with the steps. First, you'll want to open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu, where all the settings are waiting for you. Now, tap on Settings. You'll see various options here, but the one we're focusing on today is Privacy. Head over to that section. When you're in the Privacy menu, look for the Communications section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Who Can Message Me? Simply select Everyone. And there you have it. Your settings are now updated and you're ready to receive messages from all Roblox users. Don't forget to check your messages regularly and enjoy connecting with players around the globe.